For months, astronomers expected 3I, Atlas to be nothing more than a spectacular flyby, an interstellar visitor passing harmlessly through the inner solar system before vanishing back into deep space. But the cosmos rarely aligns with clean predictions. Recent readings from advanced space telescopes have introduced growing uncertainty. Subtle deviations in its trajectory, along with unexpected shifts in the surrounding coma, have prompted closer scrutiny. What was once categorized as a routine interstellar object now appears more complex than initially assumed. First detected on July 1, 3I, ATLAS was identified as a high-velocity interstellar body moving at extreme speed relative to the Sun. It crossed lunar distance scales in under an hour, immediately marking it as unusual. At such velocities, most comets either fragment or behave erratically under intense solar radiation pressure. This object, however, has maintained an unexpected structural stability, showing only mild directional drift over time. Its brightness does not rise smoothly. Instead, it fluctuates in distinct pulses. Spectral analysis has detected emissions dominated by carbon dioxide and other volatile compounds consistent with cometary activity, yet their intensity remains irregular. Some measurements even suggest repeating variations, sparking questions about whether cyclical processes may be influencing its outgassing behavior. Updated orbital models now indicate a relatively close approach to Mars, still well within safe margins. However, even minor uncertainties in its trajectory could significantly alter future predictions, which is why continuous monitoring remains in place. Within the accumulating data, a few anomalies have drawn particular attention. Certain radar reflections from Mars orbiting instruments have produced ambiguous returns, though none confirm solid structures. Some long-exposure images show slight distortions of light patterns, but these remain indistinguishable from instrument noise or processing artifacts. A small number of researchers have explored more speculative interpretations, suggesting the object's behavior may not be entirely typical of a natural body. These ideas remain highly controversial and are not supported by scientific consensus. The prevailing view holds that 3I, Atlas is a complex but natural interstellar object, possibly a fragment originating from an unknown cometary system. Even so, its stability and structured activity continue to fuel scientific curiosity. Its emissions show hints of periodic behavior that is not yet fully understood, and researchers are still working to determine whether these patterns are physically meaningful or merely coincidental. As it moves deeper into the inner solar system, attention is increasingly focused on its passage near Mars, not because of any anticipated danger, but because of the rare opportunity for observation. Mars itself shows no confirmed response beyond normal environmental variation, and any claimed correlations in seismic or magnetic data remain unverified. Public interest, however, has grown alongside the data. Some interpret patterns in its motion as meaningful, while others see a familiar human tendency to impose structure on randomness. Ideas involving ancient alignments or symbolic connections occasionally surface, but there is no scientific evidence linking them to the object. What remains certain is the mystery itself, an interstellar visitor behaving in ways not yet fully explained by current models. And as 3I, ATLAS continues its journey, the real question is not whether it is guided or artificial, but how much of the universe's complexity we have yet to understand.